check local permits and zoning before you decide on renovations after you move, so you avoid costly delays and redesigns. Start by identifying the property zoning designation through the Municipal Planning Department website, or by calling planning staff and note permitted uses, setback requirements, maximum lot coverage, and height restrictions, so you can test whether your renovation ideas fit before you buy. Look up historic district rules if the property is in a designated area, and pay attention to materials and facade restrictions, because these can limit changes and trigger additional approvals. Confirm whether planned work needs a building permit, a demolition permit, or only a simple trade permit, and ask the planning office about typical review timelines so you can schedule contractors accordingly. Request a record of past permits and any active code enforcement cases on the property to uncover unpermitted work that could become your liability. When you calculate your budget, add permit fees, plan review costs, and potential engineering or survey expenses as standard line items, and include a contingency for required mitigation such as drainage or tree protection. If your project borders on a variance or special use, you should prepare a simple site plan and a one-page narrative explaining intent before meeting with planning staff to streamline the application discussion. Common mistakes are assuming a contractor will handle all permitting, which can leave you exposed if permits were missed. Ask for proof of filed permits and track application numbers yourself. Another frequent issue is overlooking setback and easement restrictions that can force redesigns. Verify property lines with a recent survey and check utility easements before finalizing plans. Homeowners often underestimate review timelines and fees, which creates cash flow and scheduling problems. Get written timeline estimates from the planning department and build extra weeks and fees into your schedule. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical planning advice about permits and zoning as you prepare your move. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members trade real-world experiences, timelines, and tips so everyone can make informed renovation decisions.